Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the December Bellabox, so let's get into it. So I'm very excited to open this. Usually Bellabox goes all out for the end of the year. Fingers crossed they've done the same this year. So yeah, cannot wait to see what's inside. So the theme is Holiday Haul, and these are the products. This product is a Nails Inc nail polish. I got the shade Porchester Square. We did get to nominate a colour. I just nominated the most neutral one. I don't wear nail polish just because my nails get ruined at my jobs, so not Bellabox's fault, but I don't consider it a cosmetic product in my opinion. It's not makeup, nail polish. This is sample size as well. It's not even full size. Complete your festive looks with Nails Inc Ultra Glossy Nail Polish. Glides on effortlessly to deliver intense chip-free colour in only 1 to 2 coats and the smoothest, most even finish with the whole lot of shine. This is the perfect addition to your nail polish collection. You can receive either the Porchester Square, which is what I got, Tate or Mayfair Lane. But you can get this 10ml sample size for $17, available at David Jones and Sephora. I would think this is full size. I don't know if they've just printed it wrong saying it's sample size or not, but I don't know. It's a good product, and I do think that receiving nail polishes is good in these boxes, but I feel like we receive them more often than we should instead of getting a makeup product instead, and it's not Bellabox's fault that I don't get to wear nail polish, you know what I mean? It's not like I would love to, but my nails just get trashed, so meh for me, but I think it's a good product for the box. Now, something that's a little bit disappointing, it's technically a sample of a makeup product. It is a Nude by Nature liquid mineral concealer, but it's in the shade medium, and most light shade concealers are still too orange for me, so I would never be able to get away with wearing a medium color ever. Like, if you're going to give us things that require a shade in terms of skin tone, please let us select it. Like, a medium one I'm never going to be able to use. This is obviously sample size of 2 mils. Late night, Nude by Nature has you covered. This creamy liquid concealer instantly covers dark circles while disguising puffiness, blemishes, and hyperpigmentation, thanks to a nourishing formula of jojoba oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. You will receive either light or medium. So why the hell did I get medium? I'm the whitest person in the world. Like, I can't, like, I'm transparent. Like, there's no way I could wear medium. So, unless I'm gonna, like, contour with it, but even then it's not brown, it's orange. So, that's what they expect me to use. It's a pinky orange color. It's never gonna blend in. Next is something that I'm not super excited about either, is a Dermaveen body moisturizer. We got Dermaveen moisturizer literally like 1 or 2 months ago, I can't even remember, but we've only just received this. Why am I getting it again? Like, I know it's a different type of moisturizer from Dermaveen, but like, come on. This is a sample size of 20 mils, but you can buy 200 gram size for $17.99 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. An all over body cream with colloidal oatmeal that moisturizes, soothes, and provides relief to an extra dry skin. This moisturizer is broad spectrum UVA and UVB sunscreen with SPF 50+. For ultimate protection, its rich formula absorbs easily into the skin and offers 4 hours of water resistance. Suitable for all over body and face use. I mean, it's another moisturizer that's going to go into a big container full of moisturizers. We're not off to a good start, guys. Like, this is just, we've only just gotten a Dermaveen fucking moisturizer. Now, the one full-size product we have is this Bean Body Facial Exfoliant. This is full size. It's $14.95, available at AusNZBeanBodyCare.com. Get your daily glow with Bean Body's facial scrub Finely ground coffee beans and coconut oil work to keep the skin smooth and nourished while also cleaning out pores and exfoliating flaky dry skin. Now, this is finally a product in this box that I'm actually going to get some use out of. I've been actually looking to get a facial exfoliator. Like, it's just popped in my mind the past few days. Like, it's on the list to get, so I don't have to do that anymore. That's great. And, you know, it says, you know, to help with flaky dry skin, which is what I have. So this is a really good product. I'm excited to try it. Finally, like, 4th product in, we finally got a good one. I really hope this does do well, and I'm glad it's full size considering it's the one product I'm excited about. Oh, I have just run out of this product, and it's the flavour I want and everything. So this is actually great for me. It is the Burt's Bees Moisturising Lip Balm in Coconut and Pear. I have a drawer full of lip balms, right? But the Burt's Bees Coconut and Pear is my ultimate favourite lip balm. How they know that, I don't know. But thank you so much. Like, this was on my list to go out and get. Like, I just finished another Burt's Bees one in a different flavour because I had it in my drawer full of lip balms. But I've been meaning to go out and get this. I just haven't had an opportunity. Thank you for that. Like, these have saved the box. Literally. This is my favourite flavour of all time. It just smells like summer. Coconut and pear. Like, I want candles made out of this scent so I can have my whole house smelling like it. Like, every time I whip up this lip balm, I'm like, ooh, like, it's the best scent, like, Burt's Bees has. It's the best one. Like, if you're gonna get any, I recommend this one. So I'm very excited for this because it's a product I love. I've run out of it recently. I needed to go and get it, and I don't need to. Bellabox is providing. So I'm pretty sure this is full size. It's $6.95, available at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, Woolworths, Big W and Coles. Lips will love the nourishing and luxurious feeling of the Burt's Bees Moisturising Lip Balm leaves behind. Like all Burt's products, this lip-loving product has no parabens, 100% natural and all-round amazing. Conveniently tuck this tube into a pocket or purse so that you can keep natural, nurturing lip care with you handy. You could have gotten either the plain beeswax, which I've gotten so many from Bellabox in the past. I've got a collection of just the plain ones, or the coconut and pear. Thank God I got the coconut and pear because I do not need another plain one. I've got like a drawer full of lip balms. This is the one I wanted and I've got it. So thank God. Thank God for this product. Because this box hasn't been looking so good otherwise. And then the sample is an NS8 Heal Balm Complex. It's not a moisturiser, which is great. So yeah, that was everything in my box. A bit disappointing having seen pictures of other people's boxes online. Like some people got like full size, like 10 and stuff like that. And I'm like, and like all these other interesting products I'd never seen before. And this, why did I get a dud box again? Like, I feel like I've gotten so many bad boxes lately. Like, this isn't bad, but I only like 2 products. So, I mean, the sample I don't count. It's a sample size. It's free. It's a bonus. Like, that's the point of it. I got a tiny concealer, which that's fine. You don't need to use a lot of concealer. But why did I get medium? Why the hell did I get medium? I shouldn't. My profile should never allow this. Read the profiles. Please use the profiles you make us fill out. Otherwise, what's the point of them? The nail polish, not Bellabox's fault. That's just my personal life. Like, that's not helped. You know what I mean? But, you know, I think Bellabox kind of tries to stand by the whole you'll get at least one cosmetic product, one makeup product, I should say, in every box. And I think this isn't a makeup product, in my opinion. But it is what it is. Another moisturiser from the same brand we've had a moisturiser from very recently. That's disappointing. Like, just find some more brands. Like, you know, spread your wings, find something new, because I'm receiving a lot of the very similar to the same products all the time. This one, very excited to use. Been looking for something like this, so it's great I don't have to look for it anymore. And my dreams have come true because my favourite ever lip balm has come back into my life, so I didn't have to go out and get it, so thank you for that. So that is everything, and despite being excited about 2 products, one of them I've already had before, one of them I haven't. This box isn't great. I should want to like at least 3 or 4 of the products, and it's not that hard to get a concealer shade correct. Like, just, if there's 2 shades, don't give me the darker one. But yeah, like, the December box is known for being like their best box of the year. Why have I got dud box? Like, it's a dud box. Like, it's okay. Like, I've had worse boxes, but like, the December box should have been way better than this. And yeah, Bellabox, you gotta do better next year, because it's a lot of money to spend. Like, 20 bucks might not seem a lot to somebody, but when you're living off of every single cent you get, 20 bucks can be the difference. So Bellabox, don't make me say goodbye. I don't want to, but you're not making it easy for me. So yeah, please let me know, guys, in the comments what you thought of the box, or if you got something different, what did you get? Love to know what everyone else got in theirs and what they thought of the box. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next year. Merry Christmas, guys.